Okay, looks like we're ready. Got us a couple of pumpkins to carve on later. Got that old lantern that we found out here a couple times ago that when we were out here. Somebody left it hanging on a hook. Got our packs. Got us some firewood. Got our grate to cook on. And we got our sled to carry all this wood down there to the campsite. We got us a primitive walk-in site. We got about a quarter of a mile to hike in. So we brought this sled here to carry the wood so we don't have to hurt ourselves. So, alright, I'm going to get to loading it up and we'll be ready to head down there. Look at that lake. Noticed on the drive in here through the gate, all the trails are closed. The Dorba trail is closed, so we're not going to be doing any hiking down there. That's okay. Alright, let's get to work. Got probably another 1/8 of a mile into our campsite down by the lake. So here we go. Alright, is this the place?
This is it.
Alright, number 120. Home for tonight. And they said there's not very many people out here. This looks pretty good to me. Right overlooking the lake here. We made it. For this trip, we'll be using our 6 Moon Design Lunar Duo outfitter.
Is that it? Cut.
I'll be using my Climate. It's the insulated static B light sleeping pad, 4 seasons, full-size pad. Probably more R value than I need on a night like this. It's supposed to get down to 47. R value 4.4, but I just wanted to test it out. See how I like it. Alright, so now inflate the pad. $12.5, pretty good. Pretty happy with this. That was fast for such a big pad. Pretty thick too. And look at the insulation. Demo your pad.
I have a thermarest. I don't remember what the R factor is.
Yeah, we can put it on the video. But you like this pad, right? You've had this for a while.
I like it a lot. We've used it many times, and it's always extremely comfortable.
Yeah, usually when I use my Thermarest Z-Lite Soul, you use this one, and you always tell me that it's so much more comfortable than mine. Yeah. What does it say up there? It says Thermarest something. Does it say what? The Pro Light Regular? It's the Pro Light Regular Irregular.
Irregular.
Yeah.
Double irregular.
I think you got it for half price because it said that on there and there's nothing wrong with it. So that's a tip. Anywhere you can find an irregular Thermalite pad, get it. Or
Thermarest Pro Light.
Thermarest Pro Light, irregular, regular. All right.
All right, you ready?
Yes. you know what? Yours was about 12 and a half or 13 also.
I just lost about 4 pups worth. Smiling Don's got the fire going.
Hey, we already got the corn,
Got the corn
on
cooking.
the grill. About to throw the steaks on the grill. You hungry?
So we're having a bit of a little pumpkin carving contest, if you will.
Yeah. We don't want a contest because we know who the artist is in this group, not me.
Okay, whatever.
But I'll do my best. All right, so are we ready to start the drawing process?
We are.
Choose your Sharpie.
This one.
All right, I guess this one will be mine. Here we go. We got this place to ourselves. There's some people over there on the other side of the lake. There's a boat ramp right there, and there's a couple of guys out there fishing off the bank. But besides them, we got the place to ourselves, don't we?
Yeah.
This whole campground. We're gonna move on to the carving portion, right? So
There's
it's
your scoop.
top cutting time.
Yep.
Okay. All right, here we go. Whoa. The brains. Where are we at now? We finished our internal carving. We got our lids off, and all the brains and the seeds are here. You see that? We're going to take those and roast them later. So now we're on the face carving time, right?
Yep. Ready to do some serious carving.
All right, you ready to dig in?
Let's do it.
Okay, here we go. All right, it's about early in the morning and it's cold.
It's a little chilly.
And we're all packed up. That's where we slept. We're leaving no trace. Actually, we picked up a little bit of trash since we've been here. We're gonna leave it cleaner than it was when we got here. We're gonna head on back up to the truck now. We still got that 1/4 of a mile to hike back up to where we're parked. Yeah, boy, you can sure tell we've had some rain lately, can't you? A few of these campsites are almost completely underwater. This one's still barely usable, part of it anyway. That last one we were at was completely under, and there's a couple more over on the other side that are underwater. Let me illustrate. Just, if you've never been here before, see that little green tree out there? That's part of this campsite. There's a wall of riprap along what's normally the bank of this lake on the other side of that tree. And this site is the big campsite normally. So you can see the picnic table is underwater, in the water. The fire pit is out there by that stump somewhere. It's completely underwater. We've had lots of rain in north central Texas this year, this fall. All right, we're all loaded up and ready to head back to the house. Had a great time out here at the lake by ourselves. Had the whole place to ourselves.